So now we're gonna add some roles and features to our Windows server. So some of the roles and features that we're gonna be installing in our Windows 2008 servers is file services, web services, DNS, ADDS, which is Active Directory Domain Services, and DHCP, which is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So don't worry about what all of this mean. As I said earlier in the video, all of these are just to control our domain. So the DNS is for domain name resolution, and the Active Directory Domain Services is just basically the head of the domain. So you guys could just do some research on that if you want a more in-depth knowledge of it. Yeah. So those are some of the stuff that we're going to be installing on our Windows 8 server. So let's get into it. The first role that we're going to be installing is our DNS server role. We're going to use all default settings here. So you could just click next all the way through until it installs. The DNS server role is basically for domain name resolutions. If you have a name, say for instance, google.com, to translate the name google.com, for example, into an address that is routable into an IP address, for instance, that's where the DNS server comes in. It will translate the name, for instance, the domain name Google, into an IP address. So that's basically what the DNS server is used for. Successfully installed now, so you could go ahead and close the window